Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the Cookie Box widget so you can keep your store GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, compliant while building trust with your customers. The Cookie Box widget informs visitors about cookie usage and allows them to give consent, ensuring transparency and a better user experience. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Cookie Box widget, open your customized Debutify theme. From there, click on Debutify Widgets and select the Cookie Box widget. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings and open Free Widgets. Once the widget is enabled, return to Debutify Widgets and open the Cookie Box. This is where you can customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Cookie Box widget will appear. Desktop displays only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile displays only on mobile devices. Both displays across all devices for maximum visibility. The heading field is an internal label used to identify the widget. We recommend keeping it unchanged to avoid display issues, for example, Cookie Box. With Show Only for EU visitors enabled, the Cookie Box will be displayed exclusively to visitors from the European Union. You can customize the main heading shown on the Cookie Box. For example, Do you like cookies? The subheading lets you add a short compliance message, such as, We use cookies to ensure you get the best experience on our website. You can also personalize the Agree button text using labels like Accept Cookies. For the Agree button style, choose the look that best fits your store. The link style appears as simple text. Default uses your theme's button design. Solid is bold and filled for stronger visibility. And Outline keeps things minimal with a bordered design. You can select the size of the Cookie Box and button. Inherit follows your theme's default sizing, small keeps it compact, medium offers a balanced and recommended size, and regular provides maximum visibility. You can also choose your preferred close icon style for dismissing the Cookie Box. To match your store's design, choose from several color schemes including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark backgrounds. You can also select Custom to create your own color palette. And that's it. Your Cookie Box widget is now fully set up. By customizing it, you'll keep visitors informed while maintaining a smooth and seamless browsing experience. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.